Hello everyone, Namaskar, good morning, Jai Jagannath. Today I am going to demonstrate carving techniques, protocols and guidelines behind permanent maxillary canine. Already I have uploaded my carving for permanent maxillary central incisor and उसको अगर आप देखेंगे तो शायद आपको सेंट्रल और लैटरल इंसाइजर का कार्विंग का आपको सब डिटेल मिल जाएगा और अब आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट परमानेंट मैक्सिलरी कैनाइन एंड कैन आई टू से इन ए ब्रीफ अबाउट canine. Canine is the third teeth in the dental arch, and canine name has been derived from carnivorous animal. I mean, who eat flesh, and the main function is cutting and as well as tearing. And the special notes for this is the longest tooth in the dental arch, and it makes the tooth more bulkier by presence of longest labiolingual diameter of the crown, which is around 8.8 mm, and cervix it is 7 mm, and it makes the canine. The other name is cuspid. It has single cusp, and we see one mesial slope and one distal slope. Mesial slope is shorter than distal slope, and geometrical outline of canine is trapezoid. And how is trapezoid? What is the shape of that? I will discuss that later on. And the root length, I mean cervico-apical length of the root is 17 mm. So it gives the proper strength and encourage to the tooth. And we will proceed in the further with carving. Thank you. Let us start the carving for permanent maxillary canine. And the dimension says it is cervico-incisal length of the crown is 10 mm, length of the root is 17 mm, mesiodistal dimension of the crown 7.5 mm, and cervix it is 5.5 mm. So similarly, I have drawn the diagram. I mean, I have drawn the outline. Sorry, and I am first as it is maxillary tooth. I have drawn this long axis and measured the mesiodistal dimension of crown and cervix, and extending this line to incisal part. Now I will remove this extra wax. Now remove the extra wax lingually. And be careful to build the concave or convex surface. Now I am done with the lingual surface. Next step, we'll proceed toward the lingual fossa area, where you have to draw centrally the lingual ridge, and on the other side you will draw mesial triangular fossa and distal triangular fossa, and scoop out the extra wax what you have. Now remove extra wax on lingual side. Just scoop out very carefully and gently. Now take home assist. I have done the crown part. It's almost done. You can see crest of curvature labial ridge, shorter mesial outline, mesial surface, mesial slope, longer mesial distal slope, and lingually you can see concave or convex surface, and rough outline for lingual fossa. Now this completes crown part of permanent maxillary canine. We will proceed with root.